Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Torado Heights is a privately built residential suburb located near the north coast of St. James, with proximity of the North Coast Highway and close to the popular Iron Shore community. In this lovely upscale community is your new home, designed to be a two-family residence with excellent floor plan, spacious design, and perfect for raising a family with beautiful memories. The flat contains a large one-bedroom with living room, excellent storage plus kitchen area, while the main house contains four bedrooms with three bathrooms, foyer, living, dining room, a large kitchen plus an outdoor patio that leads to the pool area. The floor plan flows smoothly and the space is utilized to create maximum comfort in this 4,300 square feet home. The land space is an expansive 19,247 square feet and is considered trapezium in shape with a narrow frontage, which flows into a large backyard. Paved driveway, groomed lawns with a large custom design wrought iron gate are some additional features on this property. Come home, it's time. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 82 million, US 519.7 thousand, Canadian 743.9 thousand, Euro 477.4 thousand, or 403.9 thousand pounds. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.